Luckily, we are able to get McFarlane's highly collectible limited edition action figures. Due to the limited quantity, ayun, napa-credit card ako na wala sa oras. Baka maubusan eh. First is Nightfall's 30th anniversary, Batman's defeat in the hands of Bane. Ito yung iconic battle niya with Bane, yung binali yung likod niya. Lastly, the 85th anniversary of Superman in landing in the DC Comics since 1938. So generally, siya yung considered the first comic book superhero.